to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Bigg Vic TV. Hey, welcome to my world. What is up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic, Black in here with another video. And today I want to show you guys a very, very invaluable tool that I use when I am trying to figure out new progressions. Well, there's really not too many new progressions out there, but you can get some really great progression ideas from using this website and the tool that is on this website. It is absolutely free. Of course, they have some other tools on the website that you can use, that you can pay a little money for and dig deeper and get a little better understanding of progressions. So let's jump right over to the website. And some of you guys may be familiar with this website. It is called Hook Theory. It's a website that I personally use. I've been using it just when I want to go and look at some popular chord progressions that I can kind of play around with, just get some ideas. Of course, they have the chords, they have the number system as well. So if I scroll through here, you'll see that there's a lot of songs that use pretty much some of the same progressions in the songs, just using a different singer, and they may tweak the progressions here and there with the scales here and there with, you know, a couple of different notes just to make it sound different. If I look here, so some of the most popular progressions, there's 487 tabs, which is basically songs that use this progression here. So let's hit all for a second. Be Like That, Someone Like You. Look at all these artists that use, or songs that are using that particular progression, chord progression. This is crazy, right? So I'm not even gonna, I'll click the second one, but these are more popular songs that use that progression. So let's go back. Now, let me just type in a record. Let's do Drake, for example. Let's pull up Take Care. So if we look at Take Care, you can see the chord progressions that were used. So it shows you the key that it was in, E major. These are the chord progressions that were played. I'm gonna just play a tad bit of the piano. So I'm gonna stop it right there because I don't want to get my video flagged for no reason, because I need this to stay monetized. You dig? All right, so that's Take Care. You can see the chord progression, like it just repeats. This is pretty much the whole song that repeats over and over throughout. You know, Take Care, that the song featuring Rihanna. So let's go back out. But I want to show you what I use from off of the website that helps me create chord progressions pretty quickly and helps me structure these chords and gives me an idea of what chord needs to come behind the chord that I first initially started off with. So let's check this out. I'm gonna hit this More tab up here. And what's wild is this is free. So if you see right here, it says find songs with the same chords. To begin, click a circle to the left over here. The default key is C, and the options are the 6 most common chords used in this key. Search the Theory tab library by chord progression to find the most popular chord progressions in music. Songs that have the same chords and the most likely chords to follow any progression. This tool is free. I said free, y'all, so check it out. Right now the default key is C, so I'm just gonna come out of C for a second. Let's go to A minor, A flat, A minor. So let's check it. Let's start off with A, just for an example. All right, so if we click here, songs that start off with this. These are 5,112 songs that start off in this key, right? So the next, we can go in any one of these directions as our next progression. So let's go to So if you look, well, before I say that, if you look at each next progression, it'll show you what percentage of songs use that next chord progression in their song. So 25% went here. So let's go here. Okay, that's going to be our second chord progression, right? So if we click on another one, let's see which one is more popular. Okay, F. All right, so we got 626 songs use this chord progression right here. And I'm just gonna do one more, 66% into the D. That sounds crazy, but y'all feel me. We talking music, right? All right, and then 83% went back to 1. All right, boom. So looking at this scale right here, these chords, 307 songs use these chord progressions. So knowing this, right? Let me minimize this a little bit. So if I take this and I come over here in Reason to my, let's go to the key. All right, here, boom, let's pull that back up. Oh, wrong one. Let's pull that back up. So it says our first key is A. Let's hit that. A. Let me go. Right. Next chord progression was E. Right there. So it's what's after that? F. After that was D. All right, so just for an example, let's just lay this down. All right, first chord was A. Let's lay that down. It was A, E, right? So let's do that. A, E, F, D, F, D. All right, let's add that. And then it's going to repeat after that. Well, I had it before that. So let's take this off and bring the A back. Let's go. Just another way for us to come up with some really quick chord progressions. Okay, let's add. Okay, so let's check that out. This is a way that you can create some quick, popular chord progressions. Boom, 307 songs use that chord progression. And this is free. So another way I could have flipped that chord progression, like there's so many different chord progressions that you could come up with using this method. I could have took the same thing. Instead of going that route, I could have made it here. Just made it bigger, major sevenths. And now I can take that. Now I can take that and do something else with it. Let's just do something like, let's go to an effect really quickly, just to show you how we can just manipulate this, do our thing to it. Let's go to effects. I'm gonna just drag the half on it. See what we got. Right, let's loop that. So as you can see, you can easily start coming up with chord progressions. I mean, it's super basic. Y'all, I think y'all get the point, but it's super basic. You can see how you can use the hooktheory.com to come up with numerous amounts of chord progressions depending on whatever key you want to go in and start off with. If you want to start fresh, you could leave it there and switch the key and see what it sounds like. It's going to show you how many songs are using those chord progressions in that key. Let's go up in here to try the key of D. You know, so I mean, refresh it right here if you want to start over again and make something crazy, make something flavorful, get you some nice chord progressions. Super easy, super easy. Yeah. That's what I wanted to show y'all guys. I think this is an invaluable tool that we all can use to come up with chord progressions like that without banging your head against the keyboard or the MIDI controller or the computer or whatever you usually bang your head up against when you can't get in a zone. You know what I'm saying? So use this method, man. Hope it worked. Hope you guys like it, especially if you've never seen it before. Use it. If I find it and it looks dope, I'm gonna share it with you guys. All right, it's your man Bigg Vic, man. Thumbs up this video, even though I mean it ain't the best beat, but you guys got the idea. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs it up, hit them notifications, turn everything on, get notified when I drop these joints. All right, it's your man Bigg Vi. Always hustle, never stop growing, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Peace.